Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Alright, so the name of the game is spots. I'm targeting spots today because the bite for striped bass and bluefish has been pretty slow. So I decided why not target these guys since there's a ton of them around, and why not grab a quick lunch, you know? Sorry I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks. Things pretty much hit the fan for me. If you guys want to know what happened, I'll be more than happy to share it with you in the next video. But yeah, so I'm going after these guys. I'm using a typical high-low rig, and I have it tipped with sandworms. And I believe I'm using a 3-ounce weight. It might be a 2-ounce weight, but either way, either of them will work. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you soon.
Wow, already. As soon as I threw it out there. Got him. Maybe a spot. Spot, big spot. Oh yeah.
Initially, I really wanted to target porgies, but
Big spot.
I'm pretty sure, like, I know there's porgies in the area, but these spots, there are just so many of them. They pretty much get to the bait before the porgies can. So the majority of, well, all of the fish actually ended up being spots, but hey, I'm not mad.
This guy's coming with me. Yep. Big one.
Yeah, so if you didn't watch one of my previous videos, I said that I've caught spots before, but I never kept them. Like, you know, I was like, I don't know, I just never did. And until one of my buddies, Lorenzo, the Reeds Outdoors, he's like, man, why are you throwing them back? They taste great. So I'm like, I don't know, but I gave them a try, and yeah,
Nice one, guys.
never looked back. Oh yeah, and in case you guys are wondering, the size hook that I'm using is a size 1 Gamakatsu bait holder hook. I wouldn't say it's too big to catch spots. I mean, obviously I'm catching them, but you really want to go like smaller when you're targeting spots because they have such a small and like delicate mouth. But I got it done with the size 1 Gamakatsu bait holder because that's what I had. And I hope I'm saying that right. I always say Gamakatsu. Is it Gamakatsu? I don't know how to say it, but that's how I say it. Let me know in the comment section below if I'm saying it right.
Definitely no shortage of these. Definitely no shortage of these, guys. Let's get some more.
I'm like, what is that creaking sound? Like, is it my action cam rubbing against my jacket or something? I don't know. I'm over here sounding like the Tin Man.
Nice spot. Nice spot. This is a big one.
If you guys are interested in how I prepare these fish, like when I eat them, pretty much what I do is I scale them, obviously, I gut them, and I bread them up, and it's a crispy southern style, like it's a fish fry, like you can get it from the grocery store, and I just throw them in some hot olive oil, fry them up, and done.
Just lock and load on these spots, guys. Let's get some more. bottom. Nice spot. Oh, he's fighting kind of hard.
Alright guys, that's pretty much going to do it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm back in action, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Should be a good one, hopefully. And with that being said, I am gone.